winter we haven't yet. That's all about to change.
That's about to change this week, and the worst of it is going to be Thursday, Friday, Saturday morning.
Okay.
Now, where exactly this band of heaviest rain lines up is still a question mark, but rainfall totals could be anywhere from 3 to maybe even 4 inches.
A lot of rain.
Significant amount of rain, and yes, that also means pretty good mountain snow, except for the fact we're also going to warm things up by about 10 degrees. I'll get to that here in just a second. Current conditions. Downtown Portland, we have 38 degrees now. Your sunrise time tomorrow, 7:45. Dew point at 27. Not likely to be seeing any fog in Portland or Vancouver. We have a little bit of an offshore flow, east wind at about 7 miles per hour, helping to mix things out just a bit. But where the wind is calm, we are also dealing with some areas of fog, dense fog advisory in effect, basically from Salem down through Eugene, less than a quarter of a mile visibility through tonight. Highway 26 in Government Camp, you can see just a touch of snow right there in the median and also off to the sides of the road. It's 30 degrees right there at 4,000 feet. So our temperature is coming down. We could see freezing levels closer to about 3,000 feet by tomorrow morning. But the real good snow doesn't start arriving until midday, afternoon. Initially as flurries and then becoming heavier. So winter storm warning goes into effect tomorrow night through Thursday, and an ice storm warning, not for the Cascades as a whole, just for one specific area. That would be the Upper Hood River Valley. Another place where we could see some freezing rain and possible ice accumulation would be any of the valleys embedded within the Cascades between that 2,500 to 3,500 foot mark. Places like Detroit could see also some freezing rain. So we have that to consider, plus the rain, plus some gusty winds expected also in the mountains and at the coastline. Let's talk about those snow levels, though, with that winter storm warning. So by tomorrow, we'll see freezing levels closer to about 2,500 to 3,000 feet, popping back up to Thursday, 4,500 feet, up to 6,000 feet by Friday, which means, yes, the rain will be falling on the snow below 6,000 feet as we get to Thursday night and Friday. The weekend gets a little bit cooler, so we'll see a lot of transitions taking place here. Possible snowfall totals, though, from tomorrow through Sunday night could be up to 2 feet closer to Mount Bachelor, Hoodoo. Mount Hood Meadows, perhaps closer to about 10 to 12 inches as a whole. White Pass in Washington, closer to possibly 3 feet of snow. Looking at your latest ski report, of course, no new snow in the last 24 hours, but a base of 29 inches for us at Mount Hood Meadows. Rainfall totals. These numbers will change, and it really depends right now on which model you look at, and we won't really know until we're a little bit closer to event time. So initially, the rain that we receive tomorrow is going to be the light variety with the colder air. Perhaps closer to about anywhere from 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch by the time we get to the end of the day Wednesday. Starting Thursday morning, here comes the heavier rain, bringing us possibly an additional inch, maybe 1.25 inch rain in a 24-hour period. Noticing that the rainfall totals along the coast will certainly be higher, in fact, double what we expect in the valley. You will also see some decent accumulations for you east of the Cascades. Take a look at the Dalles. We could get up close to about 1.25 inches by the time we get to Friday, but look at the potential for the valley. Again, this is just one forecast model, and there are many outcomes at this point. Anywhere from 3 to 4 inches possible, and at the coast, anywhere from 3 to 5 inches possible. Now we take it all the way to Sunday night, and now we're looking at some really extreme numbers. We'll let you know as we get closer if any of this is close to reality. Now, temperatures are going to be much warmer on Thursday. Initially, though, cold air moves in. Here comes the light rain. Snow accumulations begin tomorrow afternoon and evening. Mountain passes probably the toughest to go through Wednesday night through Thursday morning during that transition period. And then it gets warmer, and then the mountain passes actually warm up to the point where we're going to see rainfall there instead of snow. Then the snow accumulations will continue basically above 5,500 feet, up to 6,000 feet. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you see the theme, lots of rain. You'll get more of a break, though, on Sunday.
At least it's warmer. I mean, and then a little bit of sun there in the future.
Yes.
Thanks, Natasha.
Yeah, you can lay out in your backyard as a rain.